The Technology Career Institute is this amazing facility that's located in Carlsbad. It's really MiraCosta College's best offerings for short-term accelerated training to put people into high-skill, high-wage, high-demand jobs that are exciting and provide lots of opportunity for folks. The engineering tech program involves automation and robotics and electronics and mechanical aspects. The Machinist program is really designed for people that want to build and assemble things that are involved in manufacturing of all sorts.
I already have a job lined up, and it's so exciting because my employer is just more excited for me to come back to work and to put everything that I've learned into the projects that we have coming up.
If someone comes to TCI and they're getting trained on the latest equipment, the latest techniques, the latest processes, that allows the prospective employer to feel confident that they're not going to have to spend a lot of time training them. San Diego area is populated with a variety of companies. They're growing at double digits. Those thousands of companies need those technicians to come in and assist. So I think it's a very bright opportunity for the students that graduate from TCI.
I think what I see for my future has already begun. Right out of the program, I was working in the manufacturing industry, and that was awesome. I mean, that's exactly what I wanted to do. Then I got another great opportunity to work in the automotive industry, creating and designing wheels for high-end luxury vehicles. That's really where my passion lies, and I'm happy to be a part of that now. I'm appealing to my creative brain. It's sort of a reimagination of Devon, I guess. I don't know.
Our programs were designed with the partnership of industry. We know this model's working because we know the kind of training our students are getting. We know that it's driven by the employer's needs, and we know that over 90% of them are getting jobs and being successful in that career.
My education at MiraCosta's TCI was an amazing investment for my future. The Engineering Technician Certification course at TCI showed me that anyone can be an engineer. I work for a high school and I'm teaching robotics and absolutely love it. After taking this class at TCI, I'm able to translate those skills into futures for these children. My undergraduate degree gave me education, but TCI gave me a career.
There's a lot of support around the students to help them be successful, and support to create a worker that our employers are telling us they need, with soft skills, with communication skills. There's job placement help for students. There's incredible financial assistance if a student does qualify.
And it's not a matter of you being a number. They actually sit down with you one-on-one and try to prepare you by doing mock interviews and going over your resume and ensuring that it looks nice, it's presentable.
If you're someone who has a creative mindset, likes to solve problems, is interested in technology, or wants to change the world, this is the course for you.
For more information about programs at the Technology Career Institute, contact us today.